Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check how much gas is on the Costco app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and check how much gas is on the Costco app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on warehouse. Now on the upper hand side, you're going to be able to see the gas prices to your local Costco. And so with it, you can see that gas is regular $2.77 and then premium gas is $3.58. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check how much gas is on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.